Welcome everyone to 4th grade Excel lesson 114. We are just going to do multiple choice with fractions right now. Which fraction best represents the shaded portion? That's what we're going to be doing today. Well, let me get my pen ready here. Let's use red today. Why not, huh? Which fraction in the set represents the shaded portion? Best way to do this is just to use kind of like a process of elimination. Get rid of the answers that could not possibly be it. This shaded part could not be 1/5. That's not one part out of 5. It's not 5 out of 6. I mean, there's no way. 7 out of 8? Oh, it's 1/2 or is it 1/4? Well, it looks like it's split right in the middle. That would be 1/2. So I would pick 1/2 as the only choice that makes any sense. All right, I don't think you're going to have too much trouble with these. Why don't you pause the video and do 1 and 2. Let's start with numbers 1 and 2. All right, so 5/6. Could that shaded part be 5/6? 5 shaded compared to 6 total in the whole thing? No. 1/3, it could be that one. Let's come back to that. Could it be 3/4? Shaded, 3 shaded parts, 4 total. 8/9? No way. So the only one that makes sense is 1/3. How about on this one over here, number 2? Could this be 2 shaded out of 9? Impossible. 1 shaded out of 5? Impossible. 5 out of 7? That looks like it could be 5 out of 7 means most of it's shaded, right? That could be it. Could it be 1/8? No, there's no way that shaded is 1/8. So 5/7 is the correct choice. All right, this is just too easy. Pause the video, do 3 through 8, and then turn it back on when you've finished all the way down to number 8. Is this 1/4? Well, it very well could be. 3/6? 3/6 is a half. That would be like closer in there. That can't be it. 6/8? That's more than a half. 5/10? That's a half. It's got to be 1/4. All right. And for the next one, number 4, a very small amount is shaded. 8/12, that's most of it. 2/3, that's more than a half. 4/5, that's more than a half. 3/9, that's like 1/3. It's the only one it could be. Okay, how about this one here? 5/5, that means the whole thing. Is that a half? No way. 7/8, oh, that makes sense. 1/4? There's no way, that's a fourth. 7/8. All right, and then how about this next one here? That's most of it shaded. 3/4 makes sense. 3/8, that's less than a half. 1/5, that's hardly any part of it, right? Shaded. 2/6, less than a half. 3/4 is the only one that makes sense. Fix your paper if you're missing any of these. 4/4, that means the whole thing. Well, the whole thing is shaded. It's the only one that it can possibly be. And then this one is a little bit more than a half. See that? A half would be like in there. Which fraction is a little more than a half? 1/8? No, that's hardly anything. 2/6? No. 3/6 is a half. 5/8? Yeah, that's a little more than a half. 3/10? No, less than a half. 5/8 is the only one that makes sense. All right, here we go. Pause the video, do the division facts, and then turn it back on when you're ready for the answers. All right, should have already done all these. 9 times 6 is 54. 12 times 9 is 108. 6 times 6 is 36. 9 times 9 is 81. 6 times 7, 42. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 8, 56. 6 times 8, 48. Next row, 11 times 11 is 121. 9 times 7 is 63. 8 times 5 is 40. 6 times 4 is 24. 8 times 8, drop it on the floor. Pick it up, you got 64. 10 times 12 is 120. 4 times 8 is 32. And 9 times 8 is 72.